Everyone wants to make money as quickly and as easy as possible. There's nothing wrong with that. Millions of people worldwide recognize Pawns.app as a great way to get some side cash, and we're proud of that. However, every once in a while, we hear some claims that just are not true. Hi, I'm Jason, and if you're wondering what's what, this one is for you. Today, we'll debunk the biggest myths surrounding Pawns.app, so make sure to stick around until the end. Low earnings with internet sharing. Some people don't earn as much as they expected when sharing their internet. Sure, using a single IP probably won't make you rich. However, there are things you can do to boost your earnings. Using the app on multiple devices like your PC and phone can double your earnings. As long as you keep it running, you're earning. So you want Pawns.app running on as many devices as possible. Just make sure they're on different networks and IP addresses. There are no available surveys. Every now and then, you'll open Pawns.app and see 0 surveys available. Yes, it happens. The explanation for this is simpler than you expect. Some countries are more popular than others. A person in the United States and a person in the United Kingdom won't have the same surveys available. And the number of surveys you get depends on your location. Still, we're constantly looking for new partners to make sure every user gets as many surveys as possible, regardless of where they live. Cashing out is difficult. Some people say withdrawing your earnings is hard. This couldn't be further from the truth. Your earnings are added to your balance in real time. As soon as you get $5, you can withdraw it. All you need to do is select your country and the available payment method, and you get your money or gift cards before you can say ka-ching. Unfortunately, not all payment options are available in all countries. That's not our fault. Though we have to stick to local laws and regulations. It's a waste of time. Some people claim using Pawns.app is a waste of time. Is it? We say that any chance to earn some cash while doing nothing is worth it. The only thing you need to do is watch your balance grow. On top of that, we have an awesome referral program. Whenever a person who joins through your link decides to withdraw their earnings, we share 10% of it with you. So, imagine if you get 10 referrals. What about 100 or 1,000 of them? Yeah, you get the idea. Nobody turns down free money. So make sure to give it a shot. We'll leave you with one final thought. Pawns.app won't make you a millionaire. Well, at least right now. Our goal is to provide you with as many ways to earn money as we can. And we're constantly working on new opportunities for our users in every corner of the world. That's it for this one. If you enjoyed it, leave us a like, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos. What are the craziest Pawns.app myths you've heard? Share them in the comments. We'd love to hear them. See you soon.